Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to open Exness demo account in Metatrader 5. So first thing you're going to need to do is go ahead and go to your Exness. Once you're logged into your account and once you're here, just tap on this 9 dots at the top and then go to personal area. And in here you can see this open a new account, so let's just tap on that one. And these are the plans that you can avail. So let's just continue with the free, or this is the pro one. Alright, so in here you can put the max leverage, and then the starting balance, so let's say 10,000. And then create a password, just type in your password, make sure it's strong. Then you can then tap on create an account. So once you have created, as you can see, it's already pending. Alright, so there it is. This was what we created just a while ago. Then now just tap on trade, this one, and here you can see the Metatrader. So since we want to open it, let's just tap on Metatrader 5. And now we can connect. As you can see, the server Exness, MT5, trial 14. So these are the login. So make sure to take note of these. So as you can see, there's a copy button at the side. And just go to your Metatrader, and then from here, just tap on that and go to login to trade account. That one. And in here, you just have to copy these informations. And then the password also that we created just a while ago. Just put that. So make sure you screenshot these information and not show it to anyone. So since we wanna go to Metatrader 5, just look for that. This one. Since it is the server. Now just tap on OK once everything is set and done. There you go. We are already in the demo account in Metatrader 5. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!